Oh, there's customer. Whoa!
Hey, man. Hey, you work here.
Yeah, man. You scared the heck out of me.
What's your name, son?
Clay, what's your name?
Hey, I'm Jason Kudos, and I think this is the perfect truck for me. Had some tough times recently, but my neighbor Bill told me to come up here and get a Bubba truck. What I'm looking for.
Your neighbor? You talking about Bill?
Bill Cox.
No way. Get out of here.
Bill, hey, told me you took real good care of him up here on his truck, and it looks real good. And I'd like to take a look at this one.
Oh yeah, let me guess. You want a Bubba truck?
I gotta have a Bubba truck.
Yeah.
We live on gravel road, and can't be having the aftermarket wheels getting scuffed up. So I figured we'd just do this one, a Bubba truck.
Yeah. That looks about like the truck you'd like.
Let's pull it. Can we look at it?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Whoa!
It's got plenty of power.
Easy there. You're just like your neighbor, Jason. You sure you're all our brothers?
I'm gonna take it. Just playing with you. I know what you were doing by letting me pull it out of there. Got me hooked. That's pretty slick right there. Hey, you gonna sell me this truck today, boy?
If you don't mind.
Bill Cox said you took real good care of him and the whole team did. And I want to tell you, if you're gonna help me today, I've been going through some bad times. My wife Peggy, she left me.
Oh goodness.
She's got a little bit of a drinking problem. I do too. That's neither here nor there. I'm not gonna judge her on it.
Right. That's fair.
So we got a Ford Escape that we got from here long time ago, 2012. Looks like them Bronco Sports you got now. Looks almost identical. Been a good one, but I let Peggy have it. I felt bad, and I told myself, Jason, it's time to treat yourself. So when I saw what Bill got and told me about you and everybody, I said, I gotta get me a Bubba truck too. And I got on the website, saw you got a Bubba truck, and I love white. White's my second favorite color. You don't know my first favorite color is?
Is it clear?
Chrome.
Oh, I should have guessed that. Hey, let me ask you something. What'd you got those earbuds for?
So I was at the road Atlanta, and I usually have my gun on my hip, but I figured I may intimidate somebody. And I got my carry permit, but I usually always have it. And when I was little, I didn't wear ear protection, so I couldn't hear good out of my left ear. We were shooting some ARs when I was about 9, and it's still ringing. I still ringing today.
Gotcha.
So I always got my ear protection, and I tell my 2 little girls, always take care of yourself.
Yeah.
Hey, and whenever I like these Bubba trucks because Bill always come down, and he's coming down the dirt road always way too fast. Bill's a speedster, and he got the V8 in his Bubba truck.
Hey,
and
like he's racing or something?
He's coming back next week, put an exhaust on it for Christmas.
Oh my goodness.
He's gonna complete his Bubba truck. So I like the Bubba truck because you got the stock wheels. That's one of the requirements of a Bubba truck. And so going down the gravel road, we like to kick the dust up and listen to the Luke Bryan and Joe Diffie and Jason Aldean come down through our neighborhood in the little Hondas, and they playing that, girl, you look good, won't you back that thing? Hey, I ain't into all that. I'm a country boy. So I gotta like the windows down, the radio up, and the stock wheels on the lift kit.
Gotcha.
And I said that Wild Willie's and Aikens is where to go. But I love racing, and so I'm gonna take this to the track next weekend to watch the race. I was at the race, the IMSA race at Road Atlanta, and the guy that works here, I saw him over there, and he was like, start your
Oh.
That dude over there.
That's my buddy. That's Real Deal Neal.
Bill don't like him. I'm just gonna let you know right
Really?
now. I don't have nothing wrong with him. I think he does some really cool
Oh,
stuff.
Real's a great guy.
Hey, what I like to say, haters gonna hate.
Yeah.
It's just there's no way around it.
Well said.
So I like the guy.
Yeah.
He does some good, cool stuff on here.
Well,
And the Bills, there's a lot of Bill Coxes out there.
Yeah.
Bill's my friend, but he
He's
can be a little stubborn
he
sometimes.
can be tough.
A
He can
little
be tough.
hard head, you know.
Well,
but
well, let me ask you.
I'm an avid. I love racing.
Well, who's your? That's what I was going to ask you. Who's your favorite racer?
I always keep him with me.
No.
Number 3.
What? You brought that with you?
It's my good luck charm.
Good God.
I am Mr. NASCAR. I keep the Dale Earnhardt collector's edition.
Oh my.
This car
gosh.
is worth, I don't even know how much it's worth. It's not for sale. I always got stuff for sale. And I see this now for $119 if you want it.
No. Why don't we
I'm
just?
gonna need some help on the down payment, because after everything used to be in Peggy's name, and I just don't know. We'll go get it worked out though.
Yeah, oh yeah. We'll figure it out.
Hey, what I like about the Bubba truck, and hey, I see you looking at my car. So at the race, at the Road Atlanta, I got the Fox shirt from the Fox factory booth too. And this is a Bubba starter kit. I'm gonna probably put Fox shocks on it later, and maybe exhaust too, to make it a complete Bubba truck. And Bill Cox highly likes the experience and all you people. And I studied everything about this lift kit and the truck. So, hey, what I want to do, because I'm a salesman too, I want to tell you what the truck's got. I saw on the window sticker online, and I want to, can I sell it to you?
Yeah, I like that. That's a good idea.
Hey, so look.
Whoa.
We got Oxford White. And I told you chrome's my favorite, but this truck just hit me so right because of the Bubba truck and the stocks
Right.
and the lift.
Gotcha.
So I'm probably gonna put some TIS wheels like we got right here on it down the road. They're gonna pave our road. They county told me in about 6 months they're gonna pave it, and then I'll probably upgrade. I'll take it from my Bubba truck to the COVERT.
All right. Yeah.
COVERT.
Yeah, you can do that.
So, I love them Coverts too, man.
They're nice.
They're really, really nice. And so look, this one here's got the Ready Lift 3.5 mid-level. Look, FSP kit. It's got the upper control arms. I'm gonna teach you, boy. Look, got the control arm and the spacer in the front and the back. It's just like Bill Cox's truck, and the spacer in the back too. And I love the trail grappler. Got them trail grappler Nitto tire, and they told me I'm a BF Goodwrench tire. You know, my granddaddy had them BFGs with the white leather, but I know this is the new style for the Bubba truck. So we got these are 295, 60, 25. Oh, no, I can't even read. I didn't bring my other glasses. Look, 295, 65, 20.
Yep.
That's a 35, a little more than, and 11, almost 12. So
Good sized tire.
it fits. And that's the thing, them boys, they know what they're doing and they just do it right. I like it. I'm gonna tell Bill I got his truck beat because mine's got the paint, his having the paint.
Nice. Good call. That is pretty.
Got the thing, F150 Oxford, and look, these boys think of it all. They got the teardrop, same color as the wheel, and then hey,
Tie it all together.
oh yeah. So look, they got the emblem. I'd have thought black, but that's the same color as the grill and the wheel and the side badge too. So
Beautiful.
nobody's doing it like
Wild Willie's.
Yeah,
Real Deal Neal.
Wild Will. Hey, I love that dude, but Wild Willie's, hey, look,
Yeah.
this company right here too. This is a good one. The Southern Duckers. I've been duck hunting, and I took the Benelli over the other day, and I limited out 30 minutes in Georgia.
Good night.
Yep.
Pretty quick.
So look, come on, look. Down through here, we got step back so we can show it to them. Like, this is gonna be the truck, and it just looks so clean. 3.5 on Bubba stocks, 35.
Yeah.
Look, They got the weather. I gotta have the weather text and then the big screen. And I used to always hit the bumper when I'm hooking my trailer up, take my boat out. But I just gotta no excuse with the big camera.
Yep.
I'm gonna get my daddy one of them too, because he's always messing his bumper up.
Yeah.
And here's the window sticker information for this truck. Pause here for details. There's the price I'm paying for right there. Oh no, there's gonna be an Aikens discount from that number. And back here in the back, they got the rolling lot, because on the weekends, I like to go down on the east side and do the RC car off-road championship.
Oh,
and
wow.
I had the 2 best cars, and Peggy took both of them.
Dang.
And she don't even drive them.
Dang.
That's a woman for you, you know. But I could have took better care of her. We're not going to go there, but I really appreciate you listening to me today.
No problem.
You got the wheel well liners in the rear, so when I'm off-roading and kicking the dust up, I won't be messing my fender, and it looks good because you don't see the white.
Right.
And then back here, the same emblem I love. I gotta have I hope they got a better liner in here. Aikens liner.
Oh yeah.
Then when I go fishing, I'm gonna measure them out right here.
Oh, nice.
I'm usually 12 inches plus, or I put it back. So look, coming on, look. This right here, that boy on the,
Real deal Neal.
he's always like, wild to wild. Look, hey, we're in the mid-level. I love it. Hey, 35's in the mid-level on the 150.
Yeah.
Come on. What we're gonna do now is, I wanna show you the front end up here, because what I would do next is, I put a ranch hand on the front, ranch hand, Legend. And then, boiler MagnaFlow. I had a, it's kind of hard because it's my kinfolk that used to live here in the other neighborhood down the road.
Yeah.
It's his nephew that works for MagnaFlow.
Oh.
But I really like Borla.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
But if I can get a deal on the MagnaFlow, I'm putting MagnaFlow.
I hear you.
So exhaust, and then maybe toolbox and some more stuff to make it the complete Bubba.
Gotcha.
Okay, so I want to go inside now with you, and we're gonna. I hear they got free ice cream in the back, and I know people that come here just to get ice cream.
Really?
Hey,
Really?
you better watch them on the cameras.
I will look out for him.
No oil changes or nothing. Just coming to get the ice cream.
I'll be.
So if we go inside and do paperwork, and I'll get. I might have to talk to Bill. Bill Cox. He's got plenty of money. I might have to get down payment. So just need you to tell me. You gonna take good care of McClay?
Of course.
So we got Bubba truck, #2 ever, and then I want you to be sure and tell them that I did a good job selling the truck. So
You did a
I don't
fantastic
want to take away
job.
from your commission, Clay.
No,
but
no.
See if you can get me the best deal, okay?
I'm gonna take care of you.
So for now, we're gonna go inside. But listen, if you see me on the streets, because Aikens and Wild Willies and Jason Kudos, we don't play. Peace out.